Hey guys, I'm Davina from Angelica Yarns, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the magic ring. So you're going to start off your magic ring just as you would the slip knot. You're going to hold your tail, wrap the yarn around your two fingers, but instead of grabbing it and pulling it all the way through until it closes like you would with the slip knot, you're only going to pull it a little bit of the way through. So you're going to put your fingers in just like you would with the slip knot, grab it, and pull it through, but you're going to stop here. You're not going to pull it all the way through. And then you're going to hold it like this. Insert your hook into that little loop that you just created. And you can hold it. You can hold the yarn to your hook. You're going to pull the long string just until it's like a little tighter against your hook. And just yarn over and pull through one time. So now you use the magic ring to start off projects that are in the round usually, like amigurumi or a hat maybe, like the top of a hat. It really depends on what you're making. If your pattern tells you to chain one here, you would do that first, or you could just start crocheting directly into the magic ring. So I'm just going to give you guys an example. I'm going to single crochet 6 in the magic ring so you see how it works. So you just go into the ring and single crochet like you normally would. So once you finish single crocheting or double crocheting or whatever your pattern tells you to do, you're going to take this little tail here and you're going to pull it. And when you pull it, it's going to make this turn into a little circle, and this one is pretty much, it's going to be gone. You're really not going to see it. So watch carefully. I'm going to take it, the tail, and you're just going to tug. You see how it's starting to close up? And then to completely finish it off, you would just slip stitch to the first stitch. But the pattern will tell you to do that too. So to make sure that this doesn't come loose, you would just make sure to really sew this in. Sew in your ends really well. That's how you do a magic ring. Thank you for watching.